Yes. I never seen such a silly boy. I never have. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't hold a straight face. Oh. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing so bad? Am I that silly looking? Yeah. You want to listen? Oh, yeah, right. Well, you were worth every second I had to wait. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. You want to see what Snow and Grandpa are doing? Yeah. Let's go and check it out, okay? Okay. Oh, my God. You are just hilarious. He is giggling like
Is he?
crazy. You want
Are
to
you
giggle for
happy?
Grandpa? You going to giggle?
There you go.
But I mean, he's been just giggling.
Laughing his head off.
You're so funny. You're a funny one.
What's so funny?
What is so funny, huh?
You think you're funny looking?
I
That's
think
what
he
it is.
thinks that is. He says, this is the funniest looking lady I've seen. Yes, it is. Yeah. Uh-huh. It is, isn't it?
So how many?